Hey guys, it's Jamie with J&G Auto Reconditioning. I'm going to show you how to do a little bit of wet sanding and how to get this ready and just take out the scratches on it. So, grab my light. So this paint's horrible. There's just all these little scratches. I'm going to wet sand this area with a 2000 grit, and then it's going to be 3000, and then I'm just going to go from 3000 to microfiber pad. All right. I'm gonna slowly just dab a little bit of water on the surface where the scratch is at. So now I'm gonna switch to 3000 grit, and we're just gonna go over the same spot again. So anyways, 3000 grit, sandpaper. I like to have my fingers on the tip when I'm sanding. I like to have them on the edge, so it kind of like guides me a little bit, like you can just. Okay, so wait for it to dry, air it off. There's 2000, 3000 grit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with my microfiber and the DA and then go from there. Okay guys, I just did finish with the microfiber, and I went over it. I just say I probably did about 2 passes. The scratches are gone. Here, obviously, you know, that's how the paint was before. Like I said, this is just a 1-stage correction, scratch removal. Like, I can refine the paint and go further in depth, but right now, that's set, good. Again, guys, it's Jamie with J&G Auto Reconditioning. Press subscribe, like my videos. Again, this is a single stage paint correction, so we can refine it more, but right now that's all the customer wanted. We'll just do that and head out. Thank you, peace out.